today's video, I'm going to show you how to get rid of acid reflux. And if you do have it, what you can use to treat acid reflux. In here, I have some licorice blend. And what you can do with this is you can use this to make the tea by itself, or you can mix it with these. But to mix it with all of these, it's better. I will take you through the process with what licorice is and how it can help your body. So liquid root help to promote healthy digestive system, including heartburn and ulcer. It's even good for symptoms like cough, sore throat, and viral infection. That's how powerful this root is. And we'll go on to the ginger, which everyone knows about ginger. So with our famous ginger help to cut down fermentation, help constipation, and also good for bloatedness. Like when you have gas, it's good for that. It's good for heartburn also. So the mint is good for digestive system. It's good to reduce allergy and symptoms of common cold. So I'm going to use all of this, and I'm going to show you how you can make a lovely tea with this. We go over the other side. So over here I have some water, and I'm going to bring it to a boil. And then once it's boiled, I'm going to add these ingredients in it, but I'm not going to let it boil in it. The ginger, you can put it in and let it boil a little bit in it, and I will take you through the process. Stay tuned. The next ingredients I'm going to add, this is some Himalaya sea salt, and this is packed with vitamins and mineral here. So I just add a bit to it. Life is all about balance. Sometimes we all eat different things, but at times you just have to get some healthy things in your stomach, in your system, to clean it, to help build it up. So this is one of them. It's very healthy. If you look on certain medication now, like the latest Gaviston, you will find some of these ingredients in it which they use. So I'm just saving you some money. Just make your own. When you make this tea, you can cool some down, consume it some, and put it in a bottle. When you're ready, just warm it and drink it. And best practice is each meal, take a glass of this, or your teacup. And if you need some honey, if you like honey, you can just add a teaspoon of natural honey in it, because honey is good for the system also. So now this is boiling. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put the mint in, and then the licorice after. Then just turn it off and cover it a bit. So what you're going to do, let this sit for a while. After that sit for a while, look at that. Just give him a bit of stir. Then we're going to take it to the next level. And this teapot here come with a strainer. So all you have to do, just pour some of it in. Get your teacup ready. Now, guys, I want to pay attention. Look at the color of this. No chemical, just natural. If this video of any help to you guys, please remember to like, share, subscribe. Definitely leave positive comment.
Ever wondered how licorice, peppermint and ginger could improve your health? These three herbs, commonly found in our kitchens, are more than just flavor enhancers. They're packed with health benefits, many of which are still being discovered by scientists today. Imagine boosting your health simply by incorporating these herbs into your daily routine. Intriguing, isn't it? Stay tuned as we delve into the intriguing health benefits of licorice, peppermint and ginger. First up, let's explore the health benefits of licorice. This root, often associated with the sweet candy of the same name, has a wealth of health benefits that have been recognized for centuries in traditional medicine. One of its most significant benefits is its potential to soothe the stomach. It's been known to alleviate symptoms of heartburn, stomach ulcers, and food poisoning. But licorice isn't just for tummy troubles. It's also a potent cleanser for the respiratory system, helping to expel mucus and soothe sore throats. And let's not forget its role as a stress reducer. Licorice root has compounds that may help the body handle stress more efficiently, providing a natural way to unwind and relax. So the next time you reach for a piece of licorice candy, remember that you're not just satisfying your sweet tooth. Licorice, more than a sweet treat, offers numerous health benefits, but let's not stop here. Next, we turn our attention to the refreshing peppermint. This humble green leaf is a powerhouse of benefits. For centuries, it has been a go-to remedy for digestive discomfort. You know, that soothing sensation after a cup of peppermint tea? That's the peppermint working its magic, easing your stomach and aiding digestion. But the power of peppermint extends beyond your tummy. It's also a potent brain booster. Yes, you heard it right. A whiff of peppermint can sharpen your focus and increase your alertness. It's like a wake-up call for your mind, and the benefits don't stop there. Ever had a throbbing headache that just won't quit? Peppermint could be your natural rescue remedy. Its calming properties can help to soothe those stubborn headaches. In the realm of aromatherapy, peppermint reigns supreme. Its invigorating scent is a favorite for stimulating the senses and promoting relaxation. Peppermint, it seems, is not just for freshening breath, but wait, there's more. Last but not least, we have ginger, the spice that's full of surprises. Ginger is not just an aromatic addition to our dishes, it's a powerhouse of health benefits. It has been used for centuries in various traditional medicines, and for good reason. One of the most well-known benefits of ginger is its ability to aid digestion. It helps to soothe the stomach, making it an excellent remedy for those who suffer from digestive issues. But that's not all. Ginger is also known for its anti-inflammatory properties. It's been used to provide relief from conditions like arthritis, and recent research supports this age-old practice. Perhaps one of the most remarkable benefits of ginger is its ability to combat nausea. Whether it's morning sickness or motion sickness, ginger could be your go-to remedy. Its versatility is what makes ginger truly special. It's been used in everything from Indian curries to Chinese herbal teas, from Japanese sushi to British gingerbread. Ginger, a spice that brings not just flavor, but also a host of health benefits. So what have we learned about these three extraordinary herbs? Licorice, a potent digestive aid, soothes the stomach and boosts the immune system. Peppermint, a breath freshener, also eases headaches and soothes digestive issues. And let's not forget ginger, a culinary superstar known for its anti-inflammatory properties and its ability to fight nausea. These common herbs, often overlooked, pack a powerful punch when it comes to enhancing our health. Remember, sometimes the secret to better health is as close as your kitchen pantry. Until next time, stay healthy.